Ever walked into someone's home and wondered, how do they keep it so spotless all the time? It's not magic, it's just a few simple daily habits. Seniors with the cleanest homes don't spend hours scrubbing or organizing. Instead, they follow a few smart routines that keep their spaces neat, fresh, and stress-free. In today's video, we're revealing 8 things seniors with clean homes do every single day, and trust me, these are game changers. If you want a tidy, inviting home without feeling overwhelmed, keep watching. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on health, motivation, and aging gracefully. Let's get started. Number 1. Make the bed first thing in the morning. Making the bed every morning is a simple habit that sets the tone for a clean and organized home. It may seem like a small task, but it creates a sense of order and accomplishment right from the start of the day. Seniors who keep their homes spotless understand that an unmade bed makes the entire room look messy. By taking just a couple of minutes to straighten the sheets and fluff the pillows, they instantly create a neat and welcoming space. This small act also prevents dust from settling into the bedding, which helps maintain cleanliness. A made bed also encourages tidiness in the rest of the room, because when the bed looks neat, it motivates people to keep other areas clutter-free. Studies even suggest that making the bed in the morning can lead to better productivity and a more positive mindset throughout the day. It establishes a routine that promotes discipline and good habits in other aspects of life. In addition, a well-made bed provides a sense of relaxation and comfort at night, making it easier to unwind. The simple habit of making the bed first thing in the morning contributes significantly to a cleaner and more peaceful living environment. Number 2. Wipe down kitchen surfaces after every use. A clean kitchen is the heart of a well-maintained home, and seniors with spotless homes know the importance of wiping down surfaces after every use. This simple habit prevents grease, crumbs, and spills from accumulating, making deep cleaning much easier. When kitchen surfaces are left dirty, bacteria and stains build up, leading to unpleasant odors and a less hygienic cooking environment. By quickly wiping down countertops, stovetops, and sinks after preparing food, they keep everything fresh and inviting. Using a damp cloth or disinfectant wipe ensures that germs do not spread, especially in areas where food is handled. This daily habit also prevents pests like ants and cockroaches from being attracted to leftover crumbs or spills. A clean kitchen enhances overall home cleanliness and creates a sense of order and pride. When surfaces are consistently maintained, there is no need for time-consuming scrubbing later. Keeping the kitchen tidy also makes cooking more enjoyable because clutter and mess do not get in the way. Seniors who prioritize cleanliness understand that a small effort every day prevents overwhelming cleaning tasks in the future. Wiping down kitchen surfaces after every use is a simple yet powerful habit that keeps the home looking and feeling fresh. Number 3. Do a load of laundry regularly. Laundry can quickly pile up if not managed consistently, but seniors with clean homes make it a habit to do small loads regularly. Instead of waiting until the laundry basket overflows, they wash clothes frequently to keep things under control. This prevents clothing from developing musty odors and ensures there is always something clean to wear. Washing smaller loads also makes the process less overwhelming, reducing the need for long laundry days that take up valuable time. Fresh, clean clothes contribute to a healthier living environment, as dirty laundry can harbor dust, bacteria, and allergens. Keeping up with laundry also extends the life of clothing, as regular washing prevents fabric from becoming too soiled or stained. Seniors who maintain clean homes also understand the importance of keeping towels and bed linens fresh. Washing these items frequently eliminates dust mites and bacteria that can accumulate over time. Additionally, putting away clean laundry immediately prevents clutter from accumulating in bedrooms and living spaces. When laundry is managed daily or every other day, there is no need to rush through piles of clothes at the last minute. The simple habit of doing laundry regularly contributes to a clean, fresh-smelling home where everything feels well cared for and organized. Number 4. Declutter as they go. One of the biggest secrets to a consistently clean home is staying ahead of clutter before it becomes overwhelming. Seniors who keep their homes tidy make decluttering a daily habit instead of letting items pile up. This means putting things back in their place right away instead of setting them aside to deal with later. When items are left out, they can quickly create a messy and disorganized space, making cleaning more difficult. By regularly removing unnecessary items, seniors maintain an environment that feels open and stress-free. They are mindful of what they bring into their homes and avoid accumulating things they do not need. They also make it a habit to donate or discard items that no longer serve a purpose, preventing excessive clutter from building up over time. A clutter-free space not only looks better, but also promotes better mental well-being, as mess and disorganization can contribute to stress and anxiety. Keeping countertops, tables, and other surfaces clear allows for easier cleaning and makes the home feel more inviting. Seniors who practice daily decluttering understand that small efforts add up, and by dealing with items immediately, they eliminate the need for large-scale cleaning projects. Number 5. Sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas. Dust and dirt accumulate quickly, especially in high-traffic areas like entryways, kitchens, and living rooms. Seniors who maintain spotless homes understand the importance of sweeping or vacuuming these areas daily to prevent buildup. Even if a home looks tidy, floors can collect dust, pet hair, and debris, making the space feel less clean. A quick sweep or vacuuming session takes only a few minutes, but makes a big difference in overall cleanliness. This habit also prevents dirt from spreading to other parts of the home, reducing the need for deep cleaning sessions. Walking on clean floors feels more comfortable and reduces the chances of slipping on loose dirt or debris. Regular floor maintenance also extends the lifespan of carpets and rugs by preventing dirt from becoming embedded in the fibers. Seniors with clean homes often keep lightweight vacuums or brooms easily accessible, making it effortless to tidy up high-traffic areas throughout the day. This simple daily habit keeps dust under control and ensures that floors always look fresh and well-maintained. By prioritizing clean floors, they create a healthier home environment free from allergens and dust particles. Sweeping or vacuuming daily is a small task that has a major impact on the overall cleanliness and comfort of the home. Number 6. Clean up before bed. Ending the day with a clean home is one of the smartest habits of seniors who maintain spotless living spaces. Taking just a few minutes before bed to tidy up ensures that the home remains organized and inviting every morning. A simple nighttime routine might include putting away dishes, straightening up the living room, and wiping down kitchen counters. When clutter and mess are left overnight, they create unnecessary stress and make mornings feel chaotic. Waking up to a clean home sets a positive tone for the day, making it easier to stay motivated and productive. Seniors who follow this habit avoid the burden of dealing with an untidy space first thing in the morning. Cleaning up before bed also helps prevent small messes from turning into bigger problems. Washing dishes at night prevents food particles from hardening, making them easier to clean. Wiping down surfaces removes dust and crumbs that could attract pests. Folding blankets and tidying up the living room create a peaceful atmosphere, making the home feel calm and relaxing. This habit requires minimal effort but has lasting benefits, as a consistently tidy home is easier to maintain. Seniors who commit to cleaning up before bed enjoy a stress-free, organized living space every day. Number 7. Keep a cleaning schedule. Seniors with consistently clean homes follow a simple cleaning schedule to stay on top of household chores without feeling overwhelmed. Instead of trying to clean everything at once, they break tasks into manageable daily, weekly, and monthly routines. This structured approach ensures that no area of the home is neglected and prevents dirt and clutter from building up. For example, they might dedicate Mondays to dusting, Tuesdays to vacuuming, and Wednesdays to bathroom cleaning. By spreading tasks throughout the week, cleaning becomes less stressful and more efficient. A well-maintained home is the result of small, consistent efforts, rather than exhausting deep cleaning sessions. Seniors who follow a cleaning schedule also find it easier to develop routines that fit their lifestyle. They understand that consistency is key, and by dedicating a few minutes each day to cleaning, they avoid the burden of tackling large messes later. This approach also helps with time management, as knowing what to clean each day removes the guesswork and prevents procrastination. A cleaning schedule not only keeps the home looking spotless, but also reduces stress by making maintenance predictable and manageable. By sticking to a routine, seniors ensure their living spaces remain fresh, organized, and inviting without the need for overwhelming effort. Number 8. Open windows for fresh air. A fresh and clean home is not just about dusting and vacuuming, it also involves maintaining good air quality. Seniors with spotless homes make it a habit to open their windows daily, even if only for a few minutes. Fresh air helps eliminate stale odors, reduces indoor pollutants, and improves overall indoor air quality. Many homes trap dust, allergens, and moisture, which can create an unpleasant environment if not properly ventilated. Opening windows allows for proper airflow, helping to remove musty smells and prevent the buildup of indoor pollutants. It also regulates humidity, reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth. A well-ventilated home feels brighter, fresher, and more inviting. Seniors who prioritize cleanliness understand that a home that smells fresh also feels cleaner. Natural ventilation can also improve mood and well-being, as fresh air has been shown to boost energy levels and mental clarity. During colder months, even briefly cracking a window can refresh the indoor air without letting too much heat escape. Pairing fresh air with light-scented natural cleaners further enhances the feeling of a spotless home. This simple habit, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in maintaining a home that looks, feels, and smells clean all day long. Conclusion. Keeping a clean home doesn't require hours of hard work, just small, consistent habits that make a big difference. Seniors with spotless homes follow these simple daily routines to maintain a tidy, fresh, and inviting space without feeling overwhelmed. By making the bed, wiping surfaces, decluttering, and sticking to a schedule, they create a peaceful environment that enhances their well-being. Now it's your turn. Start adopting these habits today and experience the benefits of a cleaner, stress-free home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on healthy and happy living.